everybody, look what I have. This is a brand new box. They just started this like 2 months ago from FabFitFun. It's called the Beauty Edit, and it costs $29.99. It's a great buy. $29.99. It's guaranteed over $150 worth of products, and you get to pick all 4 categories. So you get 4 products every month. You can cancel at any time. I don't get paid by FabFitFun. I'm just really excited because I haven't even broke the seal on this, and I know what I picked, but I actually kind of forgot. So it's kind of fun for me just to open this you know, with you live here. So anyways, I'm going to open this and get started with this. They actually have another subscription with FabFitFun that you can get. It's a quarterly box. It's like $79.99, and you get to customize 6 items, and then you can add like add-ons, and they include that with no shipping. This, if you already have the other subscription, the quarterly by FabFitFun, they don't charge you shipping for this. So there's another advantage to having the other subscription plus this one. But you can get this by itself. You don't have to subscribe to the quarterly subscription box by FabFitFun. And you just scroll down and find where it says the Beauty Edit, and that this box is $29.99. So these are the 4 items. This is what it looks like inside. Cute and just very simple. Let me look here. Oh, okay. I got 3 items. I don't know where my 4th item is. Anyways, one of the items is by Living Proof. It's the leave-in conditioning spray. That's what I had picked up. It's a full size, and it is a 5-ounce bottle of the Living Proof leave-in conditioning spray. And so I'm glad to have that. I'm in shock right now that I don't have my 4 products, so I will have to let them know. And let's see, Kosas Stargazer. This is the lengthening and lifting peptide mascara, and we can open this. Let me see where this is here. Maybe I can open it. And let's see. I know it's a cute little package to it because all the Kosas, their whole brand, all their products are really, really cute. And let's see if I can get it opened. Oh, here it is. And oh my God, it's darling. It is beautiful. This is what it looks like, if you can see that. And let's take a look at what the wand is like here. And seems like it's a silicone wand, but it does have some shape to it, like an hourglass shape. And that's for getting into the tiny little lashes. So I'm excited about that. I'm still in shock. I'm reeling that I only have 3 instead of my 4 products in here. And now I have to look back and find out what I actually am missing, the 4th product. And then the 3rd item is the Wet Lip Oil by Kosas, and this is called Jelly Fruit, and here is the outside of the box, and then there's the name of the flavor of the lip oil and the color. And these are all sealed, so I'm trying to break the seal on the side of the package here. And oh, isn't this cute? Look at that. There's the lip oil, and that is darling. I love it. And it's a clear. I remember it's a very light faint pink, so I know that this is going to go on really, really clear on, and you can see that there's like no color to it. And it smells like candy. Yeah, very sweet, almost like a vanilla piece of candy. So anyways, I'm happy to have Kosas. I love the Kosas brand. And that's about it for this one. So I will see you on the next video. I have a couple more boxes for you. Thank you.